Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I've been working on a Kenmore 117.552. Here was the noise that was making. Okay guys, in order to stop that noise that was on this machine earlier, what I'm doing is I'm replacing this part here. Yeah, see, where's my camera? There it is. Okay, as you can see, right in here, there's a flat spot. Pull that out, slide that on like that. It's got to meet up to my wheel like that. See how it met up to the wheel? Here. Tighten down my screw. Then plug us in and see what we got. See where I tri-flowed in there. Up in here. And there's a hole right here I tri-flowed in. And then I had to tri-flow right here on my bobbin winder. And then shoot and tri-flow down between the hand crank and that is what made the biggest amount of difference on it. I will shoot more on this video later.